Good day, everyone. Welcome to BST African Electronic Surgery. And we have to fix something quickly. We have some kind of data recovery job which came from one of our regular customer. It is a 32 gig, 32 gig. This is a 32 gig flash drive data recovery. We are charging like $5 for such kind of job. So we have to do this job quickly because obvious time it is the key for everything in repairs. So what you can do, let's open here and try to see what the customer brought to us. Okay, that's the flash drive, Toshiba 32 gig. Okay, so the customer broke the USB. You can see the port is on the other side and the main board is on the other side. So we have to find a way to fix this. There must be a way to fix this quickly. So how we can fix something like this? We have these covers. We have this port. The port still looks fine. All the pins they are there, like 4 pins, plus, minus, and some data pins. Here, it seems as if someone once fixed this before. I can see some glue, and we have some. All the tracks they are still there. So let's see how we can fix this quickly. Let's see how we can fix this quickly. That's the board, and those are the pins. So let's see how we can do this kind of job quickly. This should be a very short video. Very short video. So the first step is to clean all those pads, those tracks. All the pins looks fine. All the pins looks fine. Need to clean the area first. You can see all the tracks. All the tracks they are there. So we're safe here. On the other side, yeah, someone once did something here. You can see all this glue on top of the chip. So let's get started. How we can fix something like this? We need to do something here. The problem, these pins, they are shorter. That is the biggest problem. But we'll see. We'll see how we can make those pins longer. We need to make those pins longer. We need to make those pins longer. So shall I improvise something here? Shall I improvise something? So how we can make those pins longer? Let's put more solder on those pins. That should be fine. Let's extend our pins. We're just extending all those pins because the pins looks shorter. The second one. The third one. Hopefully this is not a boring stuff. But what we can do, we have to fix them. We have to fix this. Fine. So we're almost done here. We're almost done here. What do you think about this? Now we've extended our pins. Now what is left is to try to resolder all those pins. So the first pin, good, good. Third pin, fine, perfect. Now we need to solder those ground pins. And the other side, it's not hard, but we have to do it. We have to do it. And we're done. We are done. We are done. So all what is left is to put, let's see now what's going on here. Maybe we have to test before we put glue here. So let's test. Let's test. desktop, desktop, PC. We need to test. We want to make sure that this flash is working. And it's working. You see? 28.8 gig. We can open. We have a lot of files inside. So the job is done. You see this one, the red one, with the free space of 587. I'll unplug it, disappears. I'll plug it back, it appears. So the job is done. This job is done. 100% sure our USB is fixed. So all what is left is to stick everything with hot glue. Like usual. Hot glue like usual. So what I will do, I'll come with my glue gun. I'll come with my glue gun and do the tricks with hot glue. Just to stick back the flash. And we are done. We now have a working USB flash again. So that's how you can recover data from a dead USB flash drive. So our job is done. So I'll stop this video now. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Share our videos to beloved friends and relatives. And see you on the next one. Bye.